Hey guys, this is Melanie. Today I want to bring you this Beyond Burger. This is I got it at Costco. There are 8 patties in here and they run about $2 each. I think it was on sale. There's so much good things about this. So today I finally give it a try. So these are the 4 packages. They come in two each sealed. Once you defrost them, you gotta eat them within a few days and do not defrost. Do not refreeze again. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cute. And this is the picture I'm trying to create. So I got my onions, my sweet onion. I don't have red onions, some tomatoes and lettuce. Just pretty simple. Cut up your tomatoes and onions.
Where you put your bubble? With a bubble?
It doesn't say what heat, so I'm gonna do a medium high. Mine say high. Oh, I love this smell. So interesting. Oh my God, it smells good. I'm excited already. It smells like it has some pate smell. Beanie. Maybe it's a beanie. But anyways, that's all I can think of right now. Anyway, this thing is getting a little warm, so I'm gonna go grab me some oil. All right, it's getting hot now. I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit of oil because this pan, it does not need a lot of oil. So this is not meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch this. It's slimy. It's slimy. I'm not sure what heat I'm using, so I'm using mine say high, but it's at 7 o'clock. This is what it looks like. When I put it in there in the oil, I'm not smelling anything though. So it needs to go for 4 minutes each side. It is not as aromatic as when you cook beef. But if I cover my nose over the top, I can still smell that little beanie or pate smell. But it's weird. But it doesn't give out a lot of aroma. Alright, looks like it's got some smoky going on. I'm going to flip it. Let it go for another 4 minutes. So I got my condiments ready. I'm also going to do a Wagyu burger and a chicken burger. So on the lookout for it. This is kind of like a burger series or something. I'm just kind of like want to eat some hamburger lately. And I like to make hamburgers at home because I just like to make hamburger at home. It's so easy and so good and healthy. It can be healthy. Hamburger can be healthy. But anyways, that on the other side is been gone for 2 minutes, so I still got another 2 minutes to go. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for a weekly Vietnamese Asian home cook, gardening and more. So let's get back to our burger, meatless burger, Beyond Burger. So it looks like it's done. Ooh, it has a lot of gooey stuff here. I guess it's because some of the stuff from the burger, maybe some sugar or whatever, caramelized to come out. Like that. Let me clean this up. Alright, since this is first time, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is what left of the residue, so this pan's pretty good with being non-stick and all. Oh, there's some more over here. But be prepared that whatever the pan you got, it might stick a little bit. So some of these are like gooey stuff that comes out from the burger. I didn't put anything else in there. So maybe it needs to be, I don't know, medium heat. There they are. They don't smell like meat at all. That pate smell is gone now. It smells like bean. Beanie. It's beanie smell. So here's mine. Hubby's. And the children's. Do they look good? They sure do look good. Let me remind you what it looks like. Yeah? Pretty close. So here we go. Cool. Alright, which way am I supposed to bite it? How are you supposed to hold a burger? Is that even a good question to ask? Mmm. It has about 50% of it resemble the meat. Something somewhere. It's good. You don't get that char meat when you grill or you fry. It does not have the meat taste, but once I bit into it, it has something resemble of meat. It does make me want to take another bite though.
Ready? Okay, so this, it looks like it has the meat, the buns, the cheese, the lettuce, and lastly I did not see the tomato.
Tomato.
Yes. So let's take a bite.
Hamburger has buns.
Did you eat the meat?
It tastes like meat.
Mostly.
Hmm?
It tastes like meat mostly.
Yeah? Do you like the meat?
Hey, mainly vegetarian.
I really like this burger and I have a lot more to try, the different recipes. So come back here for another recipe on how I do fried rice and a salad. This is like a burger series. I'm also coming up a chicken burger and wagyu burger. So thanks for watching. If you like this channel, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for future Vietnamese Asian home cooked videos. Bye bye.